Hey y'all, I just got an email from eBay with their May seller news update, and there was a note in there about a new feature that they're releasing. It's called eBay's Innovative AI Video Tools. So I figured I'd use this new tool, see what it's all about, and let you know what I think. This is the announcement post right here. It says, introducing eBay's innovative AI tool, create engaging video content to attract potential buyers and help boost your listings visibility with our new AI-powered tool. Wow, sounds exciting. We'll keep reading here. Not a video expert. You can still make dynamic video content to boost your engagement and listing visibility. Starting this April, transform your listing photos into professional quality videos in minutes using eBay AI. The guy with a leaf blower outside my window, so if you can hear that, my apologies. Anyway, simply upload your videos, and with a click of a button, our new tool will create professional quality content to help you showcase your listings via social media. So the idea here is that you take some of your existing listing photos and use this tool to create content for YouTube or for TikTok to share your listings or share your store as a way to generate leads and generate sales. And so, sounds interesting, I guess. It says here, there's an FAQ here. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. Why should I use videos for my eBay listings? It says video content can help you capture buyer attention, increase engagement, and drive higher conversion rates, making it easier to sell your products faster and more effectively. What social media platforms can I share to? TikTok and YouTube. So that's what they support right now. And then they have instructions for how to access. So first of all, these instructions for how to access are incorrect because it says go to your seller hub and select create post. After poking around, what you actually have to do, this is your seller hub right here. What you have to do is go up to marketing, then click social, and then click create post. So they're missing a few steps on their instructions there, but let's run through it. Let's figure it out. I've already got my TikTok account linked here. So if you don't have an account linked yet, you'll want to do that first. I am on TikTok. I don't actually use TikTok. I've uploaded a few videos just for the fun of it, but let's take a look. We're going to create post here. So we'll click create post, pick your platform, TikTok. I want to create a video with photos or start with a video from your listing. Use a video you've already uploaded. So I don't usually upload videos to my listing. So we'll create a video with my photos here. Now it's asking to choose a video template. So lighting effect or product showcase. What's the difference here? Okay, so that's just a template there. Let's see what this one looks like. Seems to be the exact same. What's the difference? I see no difference, right? Am I wrong? Doesn't seem to be a difference there. Anyway, whatever. We'll use that template. Link to, choose what you'd like to drive traffic to. Well, let's drive traffic to a listing. Okay, so it's pulling up all my listings here. I mean, this is the thing. First of all, it really depends on what you sell. I sell across all categories, but it's unlikely that, a plumber is going to be looking at TikTok to find my ProFlow AccuFit crimp connection tub and shower valve. Let's actually use that. That's kind of funny. Sure, why not? So we'll use that. Curate images. So, okay, fine. Include additional images from your listing, so you can add images to it here. Generate video. How it works, your video will take about 3 minutes to generate after you click generate video and will be ready to review here. Please keep this page open to see your video when it's ready. Okay, you can continue to create your post below while you wait. Okay, generating video. Here we go. Error loading video. Okay. Well, that's not good. Let's try it again. Error loading video. Okay. Well, I don't know what to say. It doesn't work. This one's taking a little bit longer. Maybe it's actually going to work here. Okay. Hey, it's ready. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Top pick from my listings. ProFlow AccuFit connection. There we go. GB. Okay. So no image there. Create a caption. Check out this amazing. Let's use the AI caption. Why not? Upgrade your bathroom with this sleek tub and shower valve. Yes, let's do that. Suggested hashtags. Sure. Tub shower. What? Oh, I see. Sure. Home improvement, bathroom upgrade. Share with public, friends, or private. Let's do public. By the way, if you subscribe to me on TikTok, you're going to see this strange video from me popping up here in a second. Disclose video content. Turn on to disclose that this video promotes services or goods in exchange for something of value. I don't know. Allow stitch, duet comments. I don't know what that means. Maybe TikTokers know what that means. Okay, let's go ahead and post it. Uh-oh. There it is. Couldn't find this account. Well, that's weird. Let me actually log in here. Okay, here's my video on TikTok. God, that's embarrassing. There's also an analytics button here. Social visits. This page displays social traffic from posts you've shared. All visits from social posts you've shared via them. So that's kind of interesting. It tells you kind of how effective it is. It doesn't show you conversion, so you can't tell how many people have bought from seeing these social posts, but you can see how many people have come to one of your listings from here. SMS visits, I don't know what that means. Social visits, they should probably describe what that stuff means. View published and scheduled posts. So there's the one that I've already sent. Yeah, and it looks like their link to view post is not correct. I'm assuming they'll fix that as well. Okay, so that's how it works. This is an interesting feature. First of all, like who's asking for this feature? Are people out there really asking like, hey, how do I turn all my product images into videos so that I can post it on TikTok and YouTube? I mean, maybe, but I think you have to sell a very specific thing in order for this to be of any use whatsoever. You know, if you're selling something that you already have a following for on TikTok or YouTube, maybe that would make sense if you're selling in a particular niche. I don't know. I just sell across all categories. You saw it, which is just weird for me to create a TikTok post for some random plumbing supplies that I just picked out of my store. So it really depends on what you sell. I think eBay is also underestimating how difficult it is to build a following on social channels like TikTok or YouTube. Like to build enough of a following there where people are actually going to notice your content and buy something from you, like that just doesn't happen overnight. The content creation part is not the hard part. The hard part is like building an audience, building an audience of people who may want to actually buy stuff from you. That is the hard part, which this tool doesn't really help with at all. So that seems weird. And it also seems weird that, if you already have a following on YouTube or TikTok, that suggests that you already know how to create content on those channels. And so like, do you need a tool that's going to convert, your product photos into posts on TikTok or YouTube? It just seems weird. It's also like, they're using the word AI here. Is this really like an AI feature? Like they're taking your photos and they're making some slideshows out of it in a video format. Not really a whole lot. It's a stretch to call this a use of AI. I get that they're using AI to generate maybe the hashtags and the description or whatever that piece of text was, but that's a stretch. This is not really utilizing AI in a significant way, just taking your photos and putting it into a predetermined templated slideshow. Not really that compelling of a use of AI there. So I don't know. I mean, are you going to use this feature? I have a YouTube channel and I'm not going to use it. It sort of feels like an attempt to leverage AI for something that is really not all that useful, that nobody's really asking for. And I don't think many people are going to use it. So are you going to use this feature? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious.